making new bolts to hold these rotors onto the hubs, because, not that one, on this side with these spaces that sit under the rotor or behind the rotor, I can't reach that thread. So the only way to do it is to to make something, really. So I've actually grabbed an M10 bolt, and I've turned it down. So I've cut the thread off, so it's about 8mm, and I'll re-tap that to M8. And I've just got to machine the head down so it sits in that recess. I've got to make 2 of them though, so we'll see. So this is the nearly finished product. I've still got to take a bit off that edge. And mint. Cool. Just got to tap that thread now, and it's done. Guess what? It worked.